Learning target 6.3, we have inscribed angles and intercepted arcs. Now, one thing that I notice is that this arc is 161 degrees and they want me to find A. Well, if I look at this 110 degree angle, it's an inscribed angle and it intercepts the arc, that's the 161 degree arc and A together. I know that the measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the intercepted arc. So if I think about kind of the equation I could set up, I could say, well, 2 times the 110 degree angle has to equal A plus 161. Instead, I ended up saying, hey, to find A, I just kind of solved for this, I'm going to take 2 times 110, I need to show where that came from, and then subtract out the 161 degree, arc that was there. And I end up finding that A is 59 degrees. Now for F, I did the longer how you could do this if you didn't remember the conjecture sort of thing in the review. So if you wanted to do the longer method, go watch the review again. I'm going to do the short method. And the short method is to say, okay, if this is 88 degrees, I'm going to make this x. So x, because that's a linear pair, is 180 minus 88, which means x is 92 degrees. Now, I happen to know that the measure of this angle is half the sum of the measures of these intercepted arcs. So I can find f, because if I take the f plus 118 and divide by 2, I end up with the measure of that angle, which is 92 degrees. Now, if I want to solve this, I could multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of this fraction. So f plus 118 equals 184. And then when I subtract 118 from both sides, f is a 66 degree angle. So arc, f is a 66